Welcome to our channel. If you want to manage money as a couple, follow these step-by-step instructions to build financial harmony and achieve shared goals together. Step 1. Have open and honest conversations about money, including your financial backgrounds, attitudes towards spending and saving, current debts, and long-term goals. Understanding each other's money mindset prevents future conflicts. Step 2. Decide on a joint money management approach, whether fully combined finances, partially combined with separate accounts, or completely separate arrangements. No single method works for everyone. Step 3. Create a comprehensive budget together that accounts for all income and expenses. Both partners should participate in the budgeting process to ensure buy-in and commitment. Step 4. Set shared financial goals, including emergency fund targets, retirement savings, home purchases, or debt elimination. Working toward common objectives strengthens partnership and motivation. Step 5. Establish spending thresholds requiring discussion before purchases above a certain amount. This prevents major financial decisions from being made unilaterally and causing resentment. Step 6. Schedule regular money meetings to review finances, discuss upcoming expenses, and adjust plans as needed. Consistent communication prevents small issues from becoming major conflicts. Step 7. Maintain some financial independence, even with combined finances. Allowing each partner discretionary spending without accountability recognizes individual autonomy within the partnership. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.